Dear children, hope you all are fine, staying safe in home. Let us start our learning process. Welcome to social class. I am happy to meet you all. Good morning. Today we are going to see a new lesson in geography, the universe and the solar system. Before going to the lesson, shall I ask one question? Yes. Do you know your address? Good. We all know our address. Send it. Where we are living? We are living in India. Now tell me where the India is located. Yes, you are right. India is located in the continent of Asia. Excellent. Can you tell me where the continent of Asia? You are right. It is on the earth. Okay, children. Tell me where the earth is located. I'll explain to you. The earth is a third planet in the solar system. The solar system is in the galaxy. It is named as Milky Way galaxy. There are millions of such galaxies in the universe. So, our address is Earth, number 3, solar system, Milky Way galaxy, universe. Let us know about the solar system, galaxy, universe and all other celestial bodies in detail. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called the Big Bang. These celestial bodies together called the universe. It is also referred to as cosmos. The stars that you see are so far away that they appear to be as small, but they are really huge in size. The study of universe is called cosmology. The term cosmos is derived from the Greek word cosmos. Now we will see about the universe in detail. Okay children, listen it carefully. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Most of the astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion. What is called as Big Bang? Yes, numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called Big Bang. It took place about 15 million years ago. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. These are collectively called as celestial bodies, which are located far away from each other. A light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies. Now we are going to see about a galaxy. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by a gravitational force. Most of the galaxies are scattered in a space, but some remains in groups. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Now we will see about the Nearest galaxy. Which is the nearest galaxy to the Earth? Andromeda. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth. Now we are going to see about the solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The solar system is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system which consists of Sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. How many planets are there in a solar system? Do you know? Yes, you are right. There are 8 planets in our solar system. What are they? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. First, we will see about the Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the Sun. The Sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a star. It is self-luminous. It gives light on its own. It is the source of light and heat energy to the entire solar system. The sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the Earth. 1.3 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. Imagine how big the Sun is. Yes. Now we are going to see about the planets. The word planet means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. How we can easily remember the order of the planets? I will say one sentence. You listen it carefully. It will be easy for you to remember the order of the planets. So that sentence is, my very educated mother just showed us Neptune. The word my, the first letter is M. M for Mercury. The second word very. The first letter V stands for Venus. Third word educated. E stands for Earth. Fourth word is mother. M stands for Mars. Just. J stands for Jupiter. Showed. S stands for Saturn. Us. U stands for Uranus. Neptune. N stands for Neptune. If we remember this sentence, it is easy for you to remember the order of the planets. So again I will say that sentence, easy for you to remember the order of the planets. That sentence is, my very educated mother just showed us Neptune. If anyone asks you which is the third planet, mean it is easy for you to say that Earth, isn't it? Then fourth planet means Mars. So if you remember this sentence, you can easily say the order of the planets rightly. U stands for Uranus. Like this you can remember the order of the planets. Okay, now the rest of the lesson we will see in a next class.